here is a list of some of the things that I think make people happy. Number one is to have a purpose. To have a purpose in life and to know where we're going, I feel constitutes happiness. There's so many of us that I feel spend our life running around knowing what we have isn't what we want, but not knowing what we want. And it's like a dog chasing its tail where you just go on and on and on, round and round you go, but never really getting anywhere. Number two, I feel is love. To love, to feel love and to give love is a great, big, massive component to happiness. Love is the glue that sticks everything together, the glue of the universe, the glue of us and each and every one of us. So through this course, you're going to learn about love, and love starts with self-love, and self-love equals happiness. Number three is to create creatively. So to be creative and make things. So I'm not saying every single one of us has to be an artist. You can be creative in sciences, any other thing really. As Einstein said, and he was a great mathematician scientist, he said that everything starts with imagination. So in short, creativity goes across everything. Number four is to go for expansion in life, but at the same time be flexible along the way. I think that's really important because how often, well, I know from my personal experience, I've gone for dreams and then felt disappointed when I haven't been able to create them, either in the time scale, like I wanted to do them, or when or how I wanted to do them. So the important thing is to learn to have some yield in life. And you're going to learn this through the course. Number five is to do less of what you don't want and more of what you do. So this is deeply important. So I'm not saying don't go to your job tomorrow. You need to pay for your bills for sure. But what I'm saying is through this course, you're going to learn how to do more of what you do like. And then as you do that, it has a kind of domino effects. And you put your energy onto what you do like, and less of what you don't like will fall away from your life. Number six kind of follows on from number five, but it deserves a point of its own, and that has to do more of what you love in a conscious way. So stop hurrying through life. Be there. Find those precious moments. Let them fill your heart, really embody the presence, and that will help you to feel happier. Number seven is to find joy in the little things. And number eight is good health. So we're going to cover on how the things that you can improve about your health. What I'm talking about is the health that we do have control over, like our positive affirmations that we tell ourselves, healthy eating, balanced lifestyle and exercise, etc. Number nine is to feel freedom and abundance. You'll see on this course why I put them two together, and I'm going to teach you how to feel abundant and happy regardless of what your financial situation is, and also to feel free when you feel that you don't have any time. And number 10, the final point that I think constitutes happiness, is to learn and grow. The more that we learn and grow as human beings, the better and happier we will become. So that's my points, and that's enough about what I think feels happy. I want you to now know what makes you happy. It's surprising how many people I ask, when they say they want to be happier, they don't actually know what that means for them. So this next exercise, which is the attached PDF, I wish you to complete before moving on to the next section. And by the end of that PDF, you'll have a good understanding of what makes you happy. So see you in the next section. Happiness is your birthright. Keep telling yourself that. Thank you.